how to get Spotify Premium on iPhone or Android. So if you want to get a Spotify Premium on iPhone or on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser on either of your phones. Go with your search and then search for Spotify. Under Spotify, you can just go with open.spotify.com, and if it takes you to the application as it does in mine, you can go with your profile on your application and then tap on settings and privacy. Under that, tap on account, and here you need to tap on your plan, which will take you to the browser. Or you can also go with your application, and here you need to just scroll down and select any plan that you would like to get. Like, for example, you have an individual plan, you have the student plan, a duo plan, family plan. You can go and select any one of these. I'll just simply go with the student one. So the first month will be free. You can go and try the first month if you've not tried yet. So first you need to verify if you're a student or not in order to get a student plan. Or if you're going with a personal plan or an individual plan, you don't need to enter your student IDs. You can choose how you can pay, go with Google Play or Spotify. Continue with your Spotify, which is on the bottom. Just enter your payment method, which is PayPal, credit card, or debit card. Enter the summary, and now tap on complete purchase, which will be on the bottom. And in this way, you'll be able to get Spotify Premium on your iPhone or your Android. It's the same thing. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.